Alright guys, we're back with another video. It's me and John right now and we're headed to this car meet. It's pretty early, it's 9 a.m. and we're meeting some of the boys. Pablo, Cairo, EJ. We're all meeting there for a 0 Gallons event, guys. So if y'all don't know, 0 Gallons is a company that I made and it's like a design company. Hold on, let me turn down this music. Yeah, so it's like a design company and stuff. I've been doing headless skate decks for people, like custom designed skate decks. So I'm gonna show y'all once we get there. Alright guys, so we just got everything set up at the meet for the 0 Gallons booth. And look at this. We got John's car with the skate deck. We got Cairo's car with the skate deck. And then we got Pablo's car with the skate deck. We already got new wheels, but this is the homie RJ's car. Ooh. He put the cage in there. Can I see it? No, I can't. I can see it from here. No? He took it out. What the heck? Me and John these last few days been talking about getting a P car, bro. P car mogging us right now. Look at this. GT3 touring, bro. Oh. Guys, look at this. LMs. Recaros, roll cage. Fitting in the car.
And I drove the Supra that's out there in the...
This one. Clear tails. And the white kind of fucks.
It went from right here to here, and then look at the door. Where? Way down low.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, what the fuck? Yeah. Carbon fiber doors.
Where did it bounce off after this?
Huh?
Where did it bounce off after this?
Bro, I don't know. It's like my roof is chipped.
It's like out of line though.
I know. I think the roof was from something else.
Like, there's a line like right here. Seems like it went like...
There's no other damage on the car.
Wow. Alright guys, so we left the car meet. We're meeting up at a parking lot with a bunch of the boys. Some of them are behind me. I'm about to show y'all. So fire. Alright, we just made it. Woo! Look at all the boys. Which one's y'all's favorite? I don't know. I think I'm picking the AMG just because how stealthy it looks out. Chrome wheels, carbon bucket, W boats. Pemmeled with rocks, bro. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Hear those pops, bro? It's going crazy. Alright, enough pops. Ooh, that was a good one. Pablo on his LMRs. Happiest man on earth right now with his new wheels, bro. I swear, they look so good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear EJ. Happy birthday to you. Alright guys, so we just finished up lunch. We're headed to Race Club now, the sim place. And we're just driving there. We're like 7 minutes away. We got split up with the other crew. We got Cairo next to me though. Alright, so we just made it to Race Club. W's in the chat. What happened? They're tight ass spots, right? I scraped so bad on that second one right here. We getting ready.
I will help you. You want to get into the next section?
Huh? How was it?
State.
It was first?
First by 5 seconds.
Oh, Jet Love W. Guys, your boy just won. Number 1, bro. Hold on. Look at that. Well done. 156. Yeah, I got number 1, bro. That's fun. That's crazy. Oh, there we go. Look, number 1, bro. Damn. 156. Hey, he got the 153 though. Hey, who's
O'Shea?
Who's O'Shea? He's locked in. He's locked in for real. 153.
I wasn't doing bad with 150. This O'Shea over here. This O'Shea.
Hey, who's O'Shea? Hey, good shit.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm Derek, bro.
Huh?
Derek.
Oh, O'Shea.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yes, sir.
But for real though,
Lewis Hamilton.
you'll be down if I have one of the homies shoot.
We have to go to.
Yeah, where are you at?
You'll pull up.
Yeah, that's fine. You guys spit out that? Huh? It's a baby. Nah, you're good, bro. Look at this spot. Sheesh. Pablo bringing us to some heat.
Wow. Yeah, looking me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga you love. Disrespect. All of my short BDs and all that respect. Disrespect. I used to hand out CDs before they were live. She love me so much. It's like she live.
Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.